Hi, everyone. This is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics. And if you want to know how to use the law of attraction to manifest $1 million or financial freedom, you came to the right video. Today, I'm going to give you guys a bonus and give you guys some tips on what it is you need to do to use the law of attraction to manifest whatever it is that you want. Now, today we're talking about manifesting $1 million or financial freedom. And this is very simple and it is very easy. And it all boils down to repeating something 100 times. So listen, if you want to know the secret to becoming a millionaire, watch this video all the way to the end because you guys know I love to throw in some extra tips. But if you're new to this channel, this is the Law of Attraction Metaphysical channel that gives life-changing information. So join the family, support this channel by liking, subscribing, and tapping the bell. Now, if you want to know how to manifest $1 million or financial freedom, keep watching. And now let's get started. I'm back. Now, what is it that I got to tell you about what you can do with the law of attraction to obtain $1 million or financial freedom? Now, listen, a lot of you are probably saying, Yvette, this is difficult. This is not something for me. This is for other people. And this is one of the reasons why you're not a millionaire at this time. Now, listen, there are many people that were in your shoes that are now millionaires, that are now living lives of financial freedom. And you can too. It is just that simple. The main thing is your subconscious mind your belief? As for myself, I may not be a millionaire at this point, but I consider myself living a life of financial freedom. I have my home, my car, I travel, I buy whatever it is that I want, and I basically don't stress over anything. But what I'm telling you, whatever it is I'm doing, you can have what I have and more. I never really sat there and said, I'm going to manifest $1 million. I'm going to manifest $1 million. That was never me. It was more of living the life that I want to live, doing whatever it is I want to do. And I am still on that path, leading myself down, crossing off everything off my bucket list. Now, what is it that I have to tell you that you can do to use the law of attraction to reach your goals? Your goals may be to become a millionaire. Your goals may be to have financial freedom like me, or live a life of abundance where you're not worrying about anything anymore. The thing is that whatever it is you're doing, you have to reprogram your subconscious mind to believe in whatever it is you want. Unless your conscious mind and your subconscious mind connect, it will not happen. Now, let me give you some instructions on what I would do using this simple technique. This involves repeating something 100 times a day. Now, you're probably saying 100 times a day, Yvette. If that's all it takes to get to $1 million, you should be jumping up and down. Now, I do want to give you an extra tip. In order for you to manifest $1 million or financial freedom, I need to tell you this, and it's important. You must give something in return to get something back. Do you have that idea? Do you have that idea to write that book or to make a product or to sell something or to do something? Start your own business. Whatever it is you want to do to get to that $1 million or that financial freedom, you have to make a plan and take action. Some of you want to win it in the lottery. That is okay. But I will tell you this, not every single person watching this video is going to get there with the lottery. So you have to be able to give something to get something in return. A lot of the mystics have spoken about this. So I don't tell you anything that's going to lead you in the wrong direction. If you want to become a millionaire or live a life of financial freedom, you have to be willing to give something. I don't care if it's your career, if it's a business you're starting, an idea of a product, whatever it is, please make a plan and take action. So now what I'm going to tell you is simply using a couple of affirmations 100 times a day. You might want to say it in the morning, upon getting up, upon or going to sleep before bedtime, or throughout the day, or break it up along the day. But this will help reprogram your subconscious mind to the level of believing that you can be a millionaire. Again, repeat this 100 times or more a day. Believe that you can have it. Believe that you can have and create whatever it is in your life, and let it go. Have faith in the universe that this is already done and it is already part of you. Now, let's get to the affirmations that I am giving you to manifest $1 million or financial freedom. I am aligned with the energy of abundance. Money comes to me in expected and unexpected ways for the good of all involved. Wealth constantly flows into my life. My actions create constant prosperity. I am a money magnet. I am money. Money is me. I love money. I attract money quickly and easily. There are no limits to the money I attract. I am wealthy and successful. I am rich. I am a millionaire, and I am living a life of financial freedom. Money flows to me easily. I am open and receptive to all the wealth life has for me. Wealth constantly flows into my life. I am aligned with the energy of abundance. Money comes to me in expected and unexpected ways for the good of all involved. My actions create constant prosperity. Wealth constantly flows into my life. I am money. Money is me. I am a money magnet. I am wealthy and successful. I am a millionaire. I am rich. There are no limits to the money I attract. I attract money quickly and easily. My life is filled with prosperity. I am living a life of financial freedom. I am a multi-millionaire.